So many rules, so many do's and don'ts. All I was taught was fear and fire. How can I draw close to my Lord? They tell me he loves me more than my mother. But so many voices are drowning out the truth. I don't know what to filter. He spoke directly to Moses, but I have no time for prayer. My head's filled with voices of denial. The book on the shelf, collecting dust, it's become an ornament. A lucky charm for weddings. I dare not read it, for knowledge demands action. I'm drowning in the noise. Just one verse can lift the veil. They tell me the devil is deceiving, but he says, I just whisper. I deceive myself, drowning out the light. I know I'm wrong, yet I feast on words to tell me I'm right. My eloquence won't save me, for the miracle is unmatched. It bested the best. I need to pass the test. How do others find it easy? Where do they find the strength? Each day is beating me down. My heart cannot find rest.